Hello friends, welcome back. In this lecture, we will start working on our validation functions. We will set our functions here after the state, okay? So first validation is to validate the username. So here we will write validate user name equals to an arrow function. And here we will extract the username from state. So const username equals to this dot state. And we will create a let variable with the name username valid equals to true, and then we will create a variable for error message which is equal to, and we will use spread operator, so dot 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 this dot state dot error message, and then we will give an if condition that if username dot length is less than 6 or username dot length is greater than 15. If the statement is true, then username valid will equal to false. And then we will write error message dot username is equal to username should be between 6 and 15 character. And here we will set the state, this dot set state username valid and error message. Let's save this. Okay, the spelling of false is wrong. Okay, now we will write all the functions for the remaining inputs. So this was for username. Then we will write it for email. So valid validate email equals to an arrow function and extract the email. So const email equals to this dot state let email valid equals to true, let error message equals to dot 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 this dot state dot error message, and here we will write if condition. So if not, and here we need to write regular expression. So I have created a regular expression. I'll copy this and here I'll paste it. So if not equal to this regular expression, email valid equals to false, error message dot email equals to invalid email format. And here we will write this dot set state is, and here we need to write email valid and error message. Okay, this was for email, and then we need to write it for password. So again, same validate password equals to an arrow function const password equals to this dot state let password valid equals to true, let error message equals to this dot 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 this dot state dot error message, and here we need to write if condition. So if password dot length is less than 8, if it is true, then password valid equals to false, and error message dot password equals to password should be at least 8 character. And here we need to set the state. So this dot set state equals to password valid and error message. Let's save this. And then lastly, we need to write for confirm password. Okay, so I'll write validate confirm password equals to an arrow function const password confirm, and we also need password. So here I'll write password this dot state. Okay, and here I'll write let password confirm valid equals to true, let error message equals to this dot state dot error message. We will write if condition. So if password is not equal to password confirm, if this is true, then password confirm valid, which is equal to false. And then error message dot password confirm, which is equal to password do not match. And here we will set state. So this dot set state password confirm valid and error message. Let's save this. So we have wrote all the validation function for all the input. So in the next lecture, we will create error message components. So this is it for this video. And if you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.